Alright, I got a 2002 Seadoo GTX. Customer complaint is that it's going in a limp mode. Oil message flashing here on the dash. Right now I got the machine running. I got no fault right now, but we're going to do some checks and see what happens. Alright, this machine is equipped with 2 oil pressure sensors, one in the front, one in the back, or switches I should say. One has a 5-volt reference, one in the front gets battery voltage. We're going to check them both right now. Alright, right now I got my terminal lightly probing in the front of the connector, as you can see, very lightly. And I have battery voltage, as indicated by my my multimeter. Alright, now I'm piercing the wire coming from the sensor, going to the computer, and we have 0 volts. You probably cannot see it, but we have 0 volts, take my word on it. So this front sensor is pulling the voltage to ground. Now I'm doing the same thing on the rear sensor, switch, very lightly. And as you can see, we have a 5-volt reference. We're going to plug it back in and see what our numbers look like. Alright, same deal. Very lightly going through the wire, it goes from the switch to the computer. And I have my 5-volt reference. So the rear oil pressure switch is not pulling voltage to ground. Alright. This thing just faulted. We got a flashlight on the dash, a message on the dashboard. Now we're going to take a quick look again at what we're seeing here. Checking the back one, we're still faulting. 5 volts, not pulling it down on the rear one. Still faulting on the front one. Zero volts. 0 volts on the front one, so the front one's pulling it down. Alright, now we're going to do a bypass test just to confirm our suspicions. I got a jumper wire hooked up to battery negative, and I'm just going to put it right in where I pierced on the front sensor. The alarm is still going. You can hear it. It's driving me insane. Now we're going to go to the back one. You look. Alright, I just pulled the rear signal voltage to ground. The light is off. The siren is off. We verified wiring integrity. We verified our sensors. We have one bad sensor that is refusing to pull the 5-volt reference to ground. And that is it.